Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing and launching 7-Zip so you can act immediately. Run the 64-bit installer as administrator, choose the folder, and enable the shell extension. This lets you right-click files in Explorer. Once done, open 7-Zip File Manager or simply right-click a file to see the 7-Zip menu. You're now ready to compress or extract. Make sure you know whether you need zip, 7Z, or tar for compatibility before proceeding. Next, you'll create a compressed archive with the right settings. Select items, click Add, then pick 7Z for best compression or Zip for compatibility. Choose a compression level like Ultra for max savings. Set a split size if you want multiple parts and enable AES 256 encryption with a strong password for security. Once configured, click OK and watch progress. If you need repeatable presets, save your settings. This prevents mistakes when you compress large batches later. Finally, you'll extract and verify archives to complete the task. Right-click an archive and choose Extract Here or Extract to Folder. Alternatively, open 7-Zip File Manager and use Extract with path options. Use the test command first to verify integrity, which saves time on corrupt archives. If extraction fails, make sure the file isn't partially downloaded, disable interfering antivirus temporarily, and retry. If you still see errors, try repairing the archive or recreating it from original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.